Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I thought that I would share with you guys everything that I just picked up from Trader Joe's. So let's go ahead and jump on in. So first things first, I got some ground turkey. I love ground turkey. I have really been enjoying all the different meals that I've been making with ground turkey. And then next I got this green dragon hot sauce. It's not really that hot. I don't really like hot. I was really intimidated by it at first because of the name, but it's really not that bad. Next, I picked up the most delicious chicken burgers I've ever had in my life. These are seriously so good. They're only 3 smart points if you're on Weight Watchers, and you do get 4 burgers in here, and they are incredibly delicious. And then I got some of these handmade potato fries to go with the burgers. I believe 3 ounces of this is 4 points, so that would be a really delicious meal. Next, I got this riced cauliflower stir fry. I've actually never got this before, but I figured this would go really good with some orange chicken. You can have a cup of orange chicken for 9 smart points, which is not bad at all. It definitely it satisfies my craving whenever I'm craving Chinese food. And next, I got some of their mashed potatoes. I swear, Trader Joe's has some of like the best stuff ever. I just feel like Joe is just in the kitchen making everything handmade, and he makes it with so much love. It tastes so good. I'm gonna make a like a KFC bowl, and you can have 14 pieces of these mashed potatoes for I think 8 points. And yes, they come in pieces. They're like this little, and you just cook them on the stovetop, and they are delicious. Next, I got these Jicama Wraps. I figured these would be really good for tacos with the ground turkey. I can't wait to try it. It's gonna be so good. Oh my god, you guys. Next, I did get this Fettuccine Alfredo. This stuff is so good. It's like the best Alfredo I've ever had in my life. I picked up 2 bags of these. My kids really like it as well. And then next, I've actually never tried this before, but I saw fat-free pizza sauce, and I really want to try to make that 2-ingredient dough pizza. So I figured this pasta sauce would go really good. And I've never had anything at Trader Joe's that I didn't like, so I thought I would give it a try. Okay, next is this chili onion crunch. This reminds me of what you get whenever you go and get Chinese food, and they give you that little spicy oil. So I think it's 4 points for 2 tablespoons, but 1 teaspoon of this is only going to be 1 smart point. And I actually cannot wait to try this out. I am going to put this over the cauliflower stir fry with the orange chicken, and it's gonna be amazing. I can't wait. Okay, so next let's talk about seasonings. You guys, well, this one here is the best everything but the bagel seasoning I've ever had in my life. I've tried different ones from different brands, but nothing compares to the Trader Joe's. Like I said, I really feel like Joe is in the kitchen making everything with love. I don't know what he does to his stuff. It is amazing. He really puts his foot in it whenever he makes it. It's so good. I love this with avocado toast. I sometimes just sprinkle this over my eggs. You can really use this on everything and anything. It's so good. I love it. I was running low, so I had to pick up another jar. And then next is this onion salt. Oh my god, this again is like the best onion salt ever. It just makes all of my meals taste so much better. I actually put in some of this in the Alfredo, and I really feel like that's what makes the Alfredo so good. Like, it just takes it to another level. I am obsessed with this. And then this one is actually new. I've never tried this before, but I keep hearing really good things about it. So I do love corn, so I figured I would sprinkle on just a little bit on my corn and see what all the hype is about. I hope I love it. If not, oh well. I'm sure I will. Everything at Trader Joe's is really good. And then last but not least, I did get these cereal bars. These are actually not for me, they're for my kids. My kids really like them, so I figured I'd pick these up for them. But that is pretty much it. That's everything that I got today from Trader Joe's. Some seasonings, some snacks for my kids, onion crunch, Alfredo. I can't wait to try those Jicama Wraps, mashed potatoes, orange chicken, cauliflower stir fry, french fries, best burgers ever, dragon green sauce, and ground chicken. That is it for today's video, guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also let me know some of your favorite things to get from Trader Joe's. I love Trader Joe's, and I always want to try new things every time I go. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.